ball to the end to win? No! Come on, Puss the ball! What are you doing? Why are you pushing it back? How did you push it back somehow? Puss. Red team won. Oh wow, I'm blind. Don't fall off and avoid the obstacles. Okay. No. Okay. I'll stay locked in. Woo! Three plays one. Yay! I die. Woo. First one to grab the safe. Find bright yellow star. Find sign. What? Where are those? It's gone. Oh! I found one! Yeah! You just have to step on it. Oh, why did you turn tiny? Find a bright red ball. Dude, it's Vivi right there hiding. Find a bright orange hexagon. Oh wow, I quite really win. What is this? How did everyone die? Oh wow, I'm doing good. Okay. Click. Enter the mysterious cave. Yeah, let's go enter the mysterious cave. Use the top. What the heck? What the heck is this? No, you're not gaming. What? I quite really... No, you're not gaming now. Not summoning another one. I reached the top. There we go. I have Vivi. What? What should I buy? Everything seems so good, but boring at the same time. Give you speed boost. No. Whoa! I'm big. Stop! I do not care. What? What just happened? Survive? No! How am I supposed to survive that? Real reward. Plates. Shut up. Yeah, let's buy the drink. Yummy. Cars. Oh, it's like crossy road. Get to the other side. Like get to the other. How did I click? Wait! I died by one somehow. That's good to know. Did someone just explode into pieces? Let's get to the other side, boys. To the other side. Better did you. No! There we go. Stop the incoming balls! No. No. Come on. Boom. Boom. How did you get outside? Hey! Boom. No boom. How did you somehow do that? The balls will stop, except for two. Press button. Hurry! He puts the what? No. You're not. Hurry, press the. What is happening? Stop! I don't want ready. Ah! I don't know what that was. Jumping. Oh wow, that was quite really. Whoa! Find the button. Like find the. Oh, okay, there is the button. Press it. Tsunami? Oh no! You're the. Why is it coming so quick? Come on, hurry up! Move! I'm about to die! No. How's that guy? He survived. Cheater! You cheater! I'm the biggest cheater in the whole world! Don't get caught. By who? Oh, the policeman. Don't touch me, you silly boy. I shouldn't call him boy in the first place. He's an entire man. No, I don't want to buy a freaking Game Pass. Okay, I didn't get caught. Help Santa find the presents. Oh, I will find the presents. Where are the presents? Did you find all the presents already? I'm searching everywhere. Wow, that was so special. Watch out! Oh! How did he survive that? Stay on the raft. Oh, it's this again. Oh, no. Stay on the raft. No. Oh my god, that was a close one. Phew. Oh, Megalodon. That was a close one. Yay! Yay, I won. Victory dance. I won. Find an exit for the... Oh, God. I don't know where I'm going. I can just zoom out. I can just zoom out and find the exit. The exit is that way. The exit is that way. Okay, go. No, I won't be on time. Okay, whatever. Find a hole in the wall. Okay, here. Boom. Here. Boom. Wow. That was so easy. Ah! No! Stand on the button. Hopefully. Ooh! Ah! What the heck was that? Ow! Ooh! What the heck was that? Watch out! No. No! I do not want to buy a game pass. Avoid getting frozen. Get to the end. No! No! How am I supposed to survive this? I mean, win this. Oh, the blue fare means it's coming. I'm gonna be no. You're not giving me the time. Wow, that's a big chunk. Okay, go. No! Get to the end! Get to the end! Yes! You won! Well, that took me a while. Well, I can spin now. Hopefully I actually get something. 50 coins? 5 for? It's 50 coins. Wow, so good, so cool. Avoid getting grilled? How? Oh no. Oh no! No! You're not getting me. No. Haha. Two sides have been grilled. No. No. Okay. I survived. Woohoo. Find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Okay, I found it. Haha. I can take all the Bloxy Cola I want. Oh wait, someone else found it already. The cactus actually hurts me. I am currently alive. Then I'm gonna get spiked. Coin. Wow. Stay away from lighting. Lightning. Lightning. Whoa. How am I supposed to know when? Whoa. How am I supposed to know where? Oh, blue thingies. Boom. How did I survive? No, you don't. No, you don't. Ow. Get ready. Get ready for what? Oh! Well, that wasn't fair. I can't react in time. Launch teapots. I only had enough coins. What's the most expensive one? Fly. This is the most ugliest thing I have ever seen. Like, what is this? This is not Roblox. Money, 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 money. Button. Dude, someone is blocking the button. Are you lucky or unlucky? How am I supposed to know that? What was that? Watch out for the money. Oh God. You're not catching me. Ah. How was he way faster than me? Dude, average AI bots. Stay clear of the moving platforms. What moving platforms exactly? Oh, the ones that shake. Oh, that one. What? How did he do that? I was about to walk on that. Oh no! Oh no! That jump scared me. No! How am I supposed to survive that? Dude! How was I supposed to survive that? Avoid a giant black hole. Watch out. Oh. Watch out! No. I'm not saying no to that. Get to water. Oh no! Oh no! Wario the duck! Somebody died. I should probably end the video here. Once 20-minute mark hits. Avoid falling off! Oh, somebody already has the magic pop culprit. No! No! What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
Costco guys. Of course, we're in Among Us. I've got to take my chicken bake and use anything else I can to win. Only one of us can make it out of this Costco alive.